Now this topic is very, very important. It's called color settings, and this topic right here is, if you follow it closely and you follow along closely and you use the files I tell you to use, you are going to get much better printing. In fact, you're going to be able to match what's on your monitor with what you print very, very closely. Okay? So let's get started. What I've done is I've drawn a big vector rectangle on here and painted it lime green. Now, Flexi Sign has the ability to soft proof. Now, soft proofed means a preview of what your printer is going to actually print on your monitor. That button is found right here. See how it says soft proof? Half a second of patience, my friends, and it'll pop right up. Or you can go to View and soft proof right here. Both of those do the same thing. So let's soft proof. Okay, that's not very good. But we aren't finished yet, okay, so relax. I'm going to show you how to make this very close to your output. The reason that turned that dark green instead of the lime green that we want to print is because Flexi is using color management to create the file that's sent to the RIP software, basically the RIP part of Flexi, to print out to your printer.